Hello everyone, we are back to Python tutorials. So today we are going to learn to start our programming. We are going to start with Python variables. So in any programming languages there are variables. So before we dive into variables, if you are not interested in using this online platform, you can install Python as well. You go to the official website, look for Python, install it. Installing steps are very simple. Just accept it, do and install it. Then check the version of the Python. We'll see whether it is installed in command prompt. If you want me to make that video of installing Python, you notify me in the YouTube comment section so that I make that video. But it's very simple. You go to command prompt, you type Python version, and you click enter. It will tell you the version. If the Python is not found, it will also tell you that. So use your code, your own code editor you want. Me, I preferably use Visual Studio Code is my code editor. So after then, you start programming Python. So this language, Python, knowing English and mathematics is easy to know Python. So like calculus. So here I just text. I'm going to show you how to write this text after the end of this video. Sorry, I'm going to show you how to write this text here. I just organized them so that I teach these notes very well, because I cannot teach while typing. I will forget some important notes. But here, at least I'm trying to get some notes here. So these are notes I'm going to use for today's tutorial. Today we are going to learn basics. So I told you in the last tutorial how to run the Python code in each cell. So here you can learn all okay. So you can learn all the outputs, or come here after learning. You go to edit, then you clear all the outputs if you don't want. So let's clear all the outputs so that we learn cell by cell while learning here. We are learning Python for data science. So consider subscribing me, because when you subscribe my channel, any video I add here to this course, you automatically get a notification for the video and come and watch it. So if you want to learn with me constantly, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. You are going to learn with me. So let's run this cell. That's the output. It's like mathematics. So this is called 1. Then you run it. Or you can write your first Python code. Always people, when they finish to install Python, they first test it by writing this Python script, print hello world. Okay, print hello world. You press tab. Sorry, it's not seeing. Hello. Use this thing called hello world. Hello world. Then after printing this, run this cell to see the output. When you see this, it means your Python was installed successfully. You can do simple mathematics with this code. 1 plus 1, you get the answer. So today we are going to start with variables. They are like containers of storing data. Variables, like you store your data, like you create a variable. This is very good, help us for long code. So you just let that code to be the variable you want, so that it helps you to simplify the work. So how to create variables? So variable, just let your own code, like you use like let x be 5, okay, let y be John. So when you print this, you print x. Instead of printing 5, you print this x. It will bring you to 5. Okay, you can see print X, you have printed X, you have printed Y. So you are letting, so you can even write here, let X equals 5 plus 7. Okay, when you print, it will give you the output. Instead of writing long codes, you just create variables. Okay, let me delete these cells. So these are the importance of variables. Okay, so you see, you let X equals 4 and you let X equals to that string. So we are going to study about data types after these variables, but it will be for the next course, not this very course. So this is the string slay, and this is an integer. Okay, when you run this code, it will just print the last, it will execute the last line of code you see here. So it will skip this. Even if you write let x equals 55, it will print this last line of code. Okay, so you can't create variables because it first read this first line, next line, then print the last line. That's how programming. Okay. So you can specify the data types as you want, as this term is called casting. So you specify x equals string, you call that instead of integer, you call it string. We'll talk about data types. This string is like for letters, it doesn't write an integer, or you can't write the name search mashup without some these whatevers have inverted commas. Okay, if you don't write just, but it is a word, it will just see character, it will just see instead of character, it will the machine will see this character, is this an integer, is this what? But if you put this, even if it is an integer, it consider it as a string. So this is the integer, you just write 3, there are just numbers. But if you consider adding a decimal point, now it becomes a float. So how to get data types? Let's get data types here. You just print here, it will tell you the data types. I've seen this is an integer and this is a string, John, because of these inverted commas. If let's write here, instead of writing John, let's write an integer but with inverted commas. Okay, then let's print. It will always tell you that it is a string. Okay, it is a string. Okay, so guys are asking what's the difference between double quotes and single quotes. So there will be scenarios writing senchimazi, but you always used single quotes, so there will be some error there. So for that scenario we use double quotes, but they are the same, they are performing the same job. Okay, they are the same, they are performing the same jobs. Guys, consider liking me, following, subscribing my channel. I'll be adding more new tutorials here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You have started our data science programming. We have started with programming with Python. So data science, we're going to use Python, by the way. So next time we are going to look at variables. So variables, after understanding today I have looked at variables. Next time we're going to look at data types. Data types with strings, floats, dictionaries, word. We're going to look at those data types so that you understand this programming very well. So we'll be looking at loops, at what. Let's go slowly by slowly. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Senjima Ashraf.